In this video, I will show you how to disable automatic payment in your PayPal account. If you have ever bought a subscription or paid for goods on other sites using your PayPal account, then you need to check the automatic payment in your PayPal account so that there are no unpleasant payment situations. To disable automatic payment or check the entire list of active payments, you need to log into your PayPal account. After logging into your account, you can see your payment history on the main page. All payments will be displayed here, even automatic payments that you have not made manually. This transaction will be marked as automatic payment. If you click on this transaction, you will be able to see all the information where the money was sent and for which subscription or service. You can disable this automatic payment immediately after opening this transaction. To do this, click on Manage Social Online Payments. After that, you will have an automatic payment section. There you can see two sections: active and inactive automatic payments. The transaction we opened is inactive payments, but if you can't open this section after selecting a transaction, then you can use the second method to view all active automatic payments. Select the settings on the PayPal home page and open the Payments section. After that, select Automatic Payments. There you can find these two sections with active and inactive automatic payments. In the Active Payments section, you will be able to disable automatic payments to avoid charging money from the account. To disable automatic payment, you need to select the name of automatic payment. In the Status section, you can see that it is currently active. To turn it off, click the Cancel button. After that, confirm again, click Cancel Automatic Payments. We have successfully disabled automatic payment for this transaction. Now the automatic payment will not withdraw money from your PayPal account. This automatic payment will go to the inactive section because it is no longer active. In this way, we will be able to disable the second automatic payment. Select it and click Cancel again to disable automatic payment. All automatic payments are deactivated. We can check it again by opening Automatic Payments. It will say that we do not have automatic payments. I recommend checking this section from time to time if you are very active in using your account for online payments or purchasing subscriptions on sites. This way you can avoid unscheduled transactions from your PayPal account, because some sites have different conditions and can save your data for the next payments. That's all. If you liked this video, then like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching.